Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a Facebook page. All right, as you can see here, I have my sample business page opened right here. So what we're going to do to delete this is just basically tap on your profile right here, or the business profile. Scroll down until you find settings and privacy. All right, I'm going to tap on this one right here and head over to settings. Tap. Now, once this loads, let's just go ahead and scroll down until you find this section, your information. All right here. So what we're going to do is just find access and control, which is right here. So go ahead and tap on it. Now, as you can see here, you can go ahead and deactivate the page, which is temporary. This page will be disabled and its name and photos will be removed from most things it shared. You can reactivate this page at any time, but just logging in, basically. All right. Then there we have our option to delete. So you can see this is permanent. You won't be able to retrieve the content or information you've shared on Facebook at this page. Your Messenger and all of your messages will also be deleted. Now, if you're sure of deleting your Facebook page, you just go ahead and select this one and hit on continue. And then the next page, it will ask you why you would want to leave. All right. Let's say, for example, I don't find this page useful. Then I'm going to hit on continue. And here, if you want to, you can go ahead and download info. All right. And it says here you can download every content that is written in here before it's permanently deleted. All right. Along with the page. If you don't want it, just go ahead and hit on continue. And it's going to ask for your password. Just go ahead and type in your password. Now I'm just going to hit on continue. And it says here, the following page will be deleted and you will be switched to your main profile. You can reactivate within 30 days by just logging in, as I've told you earlier. All right, just hit on delete page and wait for it to process. Once done, as you can see, it says session expired. So basically it is successful. And when you hit on OK, it's going to require you to log in. If not, you can freely use Facebook all you want. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.